Hello, this is James Graff with Advisors Mortgage Group with another Mortgage Minute. This time we're going to ask, why Advisors? Why Advisors Mortgage Group? And I'll tell you why. Are you looking for a better lender? We have big bank capabilities without the big bank issues. Let's call them issues. With big dreams and even more determination, Advisors Mortgage Group, LLC was founded in 1999 by a single loan officer like myself in a small office in Shrewsbury, New Jersey. In the years since, Advisors Mortgage has grown to serve not only the greater New Jersey area, but a vast portion of the United States. I believe we're in 34 states currently. Advisors Mortgage has established itself as a pillar of excellence in the mortgage industry. We're a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac seller servicer. Closings in under 30 days with local underwriting, conventional FHA, USDA, VA, 203K renovation loans, jumbo and reverse mortgage programs. Extended rate locks for new construction. I was amazed to find out that, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to advertise this, that we can lock you potentially for free. Talk to your loan officer about that. There are many other things I could recommend here at the bottom. I would love to send you a flyer. Please contact me, James Graff at Advisors Mortgage Group. I'd love to speak to you about these and all other topics regarding real estate or finance. My phone number is 732-500-6883. That's 732-500-6883 or P500-MUTE. That's P500-MUTE, as in there's a P under 500 mattresses with a trumpet mute on top. That's easy to picture, right? Anyway, we're going to try to make your mortgage payments as small as a P. We'll try with an A, P-E-A. I would walk 500 miles for you and with you, figuratively and gladly. Mute, M-U-T-E, as in gladly. And with my permission, mute the audio to this video or mute my incoming phone call if anything I'm saying to you isn't worth your while. With that, I have to thank you for not muting thus far. I'm sure many have. And they moved on, hopefully, to my other real estate finance video lessons. With that, I have to truly thank you for your very precious time spent with me, listening to me. And I hope that you have an absolutely fantastic day. Thanks again.